Hello, what's up, my friend?
It's been a long time, eh?
It's been a long time. You forgot me. Am I right?
No, I forgot Bigo. It's not only you, it's like I didn't go on Bigo since a long time.
For what?
I don't know. I was like, I don't find. I got bored.
Oh, you got bored, but as far as I know, that you got banned from your old video and then you started with the new account. And by the way, maybe you just put yourself
Yeah,
away
right.
from
I
the
forgot
video.
about. Yeah, you're right. The fact that I got banned on my other account, I think it yeah. Yeah, I understand what you mean.
Yeah. By the way, how is going your day without immersing yourself into this video?
Oh, I'm doing great. Like, life is good with me, and I got no problem. I'm just chilling.
Yeah, that's chilling. That's cool though. But sometimes you need to talk with the people, or need to, or if you are not really immersing yourself into any platform to know the different communities. But do you go to the shopping, or do you go for gossiping with somebody, with your boyfriend or somebody else?
Yeah, I got some friends.
Oh, hello. That's cool. Now I got really so much prompted that you are showing your friend. Can I see once again? Hello. Thank you. Thank you. What's up? What's your friend's name?
No way.
So I guess maybe you are joining with your work full time?
No, I work on my personal stuff, my personal life. I'm still a mom, so I care about my baby, and I don't have a full-time job.
That's cool though. But like yourself, if I can't really find any politeness people in this platform, I'm quite disappointed because you will speak with the people so honestly and give the time little bit as much as you have. It's really awesome. And I missed you really so much.
Ah, that's very cute. I mean, I appreciate that, and maybe I don't know. I wish I could care more about Bigo, but I do not care anymore for now. But I don't know.
But
Maybe another time I will come back more often.
okay, so I hope very often you are going to be continue to use this platform.
I don't know.
You
I
don't know.
can't tell. I
Yeah.
can't promise.
Oh, okay. But luckily, very fortunate that I got you yes morning here from Bangladesh.
Yeah, you're lucky.
Oh, definitely. Definitely. Undoubtedly, I'm lucky.
Well, I'm gonna let you go because we were about. I'm gonna end up the live because I want to put some music. So
100%. So
I
thank
wish
you.
you a
Okay, so
beautiful day, Mr. Gazi.
sure. So thank you so much for immersing yourself into my life for a short time. It immense happy yesterday. So I'm so thankful for you and see you around on the other day.
Ciao, ciao. Thank you.